Say hi to the vlog. My son. Magandang araw mga kakarampot. Welcome sa panibagong vlog. Today, tayo ay nasa Toronto. Siyempre, dito pa rin sa Canada. Ang matutunghayan nyo ngayon ay ang aking most favorite na pinakagustong ride. So ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Let's go! Hindi ito long ride, hindi rin bike camping ride, hindi adventure ride, hindi rin ride kung saan may mapupulot kang aral. Itong ride na ito, 22 years kong hinintay para mangyari. Ano ba kasi meron 22 years ago? Well, 22 years ago, ipinanganak ang baby na ito. Siya ang aking panganay. At bata pa siya when we moved to Canada. At dito na siya lumaki. Isa sa mga unang pinangarap ko bilang bagong tatay noon ay ang maturuan siya para magbisikleta. Unfortunately, due to circumstances beyond my control, o dahil sa mga pangyayaring hindi ko makontrol, ibang tao na ang nakapagturo sa kanyang magbike. And to make this story short, we never got the chance to bike together. Pero fast forward to this day, we finally got the chance to do this, to bike together. At gamit pa niya ang bike na bigay ko. Lately kasi, nakakahiligan niyang magbike to and from work, and school, and events, and to his friends. Kaya naman, niyaya ko siyang mag-ride. That we are doing this on Father's Day, although coincidental, ay isang napakalaking bonus din para sa akin. At nakapag-dinner din kami sa labas, which we haven't been able to do for a while now.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. 4:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. Let's start, got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
There is really nothing much to this ride. Just us riding around the city, father and son bonding, just enjoying the ride and the time together. And this, so far, is my most favorite bike ride ever. Matatalo lang siguro ito kapag nakasabay ko na silang mag-ride ng kapatid niya. Pero meanwhile, enjoyin ko muna ang moment na ito. Let me enjoy every little bit of this ride. At sana, ma-enjoy nyo ring panoorin.
Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me.
What's going on here? The fudge! I guess we're going here. Say hi to the vlog. My son. Okay guys, medyo pa-sunset na, didilim na, no? At saka ang daming construction, kaya yung mga usual routes namin na detour, like doon kanina, akala ko madediretso namin yung trail, pero hindi pala. So we're taking a detour, and I guess dahil pauwi na rin lang kami, dito na rin tatapusin itong video na to. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kung di kayo nag-enjoy, sana natuto. Kung di kayo natuto, sana nag-enjoy kahit papaano. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, mag-subscribe. Yun, kung di ka pa subscribe. So hanggang dito na lamang. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.